Defined benefit plans are a powerful way for business owners to save for retirement while significantly lowering their annual tax bill. You likely know this as a traditional pension. It promises a specific monthly payout during your retirement years. Because these contributions are business expenses, they reduce your taxable income, potentially saving you thousands in taxes every single year. These plans allow for much higher contributions than standard 401k accounts, making them excellent for maximizing tax-advantaged savings. While a 401k is easy to manage, a defined benefit plan offers much larger tax deductions for high-earning business owners. As you can see, the contribution limits for defined benefit plans can far exceed those of traditional defined contribution plans. Keep in mind that these plans require consistent funding, so they are best suited for businesses with stable, long-term cash flow. Thanks for learning about defined benefit plans. Check with a tax advisor before making changes to your retirement strategy.